Rare. Wait, look at my duck.
Okay, ready?
Wait, I'll tell you what it is. Oh my god!
It's so cute.
Charlie just yelled like
Okay, so when I count to 3, we'll open our eyes. Okay. Wait. Okay, 1, 2.
You don't care what kind?
I don't care which one. I'll just show you because I haven't looked first which one.
It's the red one! It's the red one. Not glitter, but I'm happy.
Okay, this one can be my sister's because she likes purple. It's clear time. Oh my gosh, this is cool. Okay, that's all. Next one.
Okay, ready? You got the glitter! Oh, the one I didn't want was the glitter one! You gotta get that first one, you gotta get color.